In this video, you will learn how to add clients, create work reports and share work reports with the client. Operation Center applications provide you with the facility to keep digital records and share it with the clients in document format. After work is done, you can check completed fields into places. First, view all work in Home tab. Second, the Fields section in the Map tab, where you can sort list as per your requirement. For effective record keeping, the completed fields can be organized by assigning clients and farm names. It becomes easier to filter out the work data with respect to specific clients and seasons. To assign these, go to the Map tab, select a field, and navigate to the Setup section. Here, you can assign a field name, client, and farm. To add a new client, tap Add Client, enter the name and save. Follow the same process to add farm. In summary, overall work-related data is given and flexibility to modify operational data if required. The Work Notes facility is provided where you can add note mentioning the implement used during the operation in the report. Finally, by clicking on the Share tab, you can create detailed work reports which mention start and end time, total worked area, and work notes. Save it in PDF format and share it with clients via messaging apps or email for payment purposes.